All right, it's day 29, and I feel real fancy because it's only been 3 minutes since I went live. Unlike some days when it's like 12 minutes, I'm like, what the heck was I doing? The time goes so fast though. I be trying to just get stuff ready, get couple last little minute things ready. But um, yeah, I was trying to remember what I even was doing yesterday. All I can remember is messing around with my chirper, and I want to check in on my chirper. But before I do that, I'm going to do my log so I know what the heck I'm working on today, and I'm gonna take it from there. I have an event coming up for the next 2 days, so the way my life is set up, um, I need not stay up all night. I feel like I say that every day and I still end up staying up, but I need not stay up all night for real because I have an event all day tomorrow, and then I have a workshop in the evening. So, yeah, because I'll probably be trying to get up early in the morning. Um, so let's go. And I was trying to stream earlier for WWDC, but that really was not working out. I don't know why. Maybe it was something about because I had to watch it through. I had to watch the developer keynotes through the developer. Um, it's like a developer app on Macs, and for some reason, it was really like fighting my audio going into the stream, and it was like really laggy. Like I was just completely dropping frames. So that was not successful, unfortunately. But I just went ahead. I was kind of it was kind of a lot going on at the time anyway. So I just went ahead and just, you know, tried to take the afternoon to chill out, and now I'm back. So I'm not going to change much of what I was doing yesterday. I just know yesterday what's the two projects? Sentiment analysis and oh, image classification. Okay. So yeah, yesterday I um made did some level research on my next two projects. I'm just gonna leave it at that. So I was kind of just finding my way around yesterday because I was just like, I wanted to, I don't know, I felt like I needed to gather my thoughts about what I could be working on. Um, so I'm just gonna kind of pick up from there. So there's plenty of things for me to dive into. Okay, before we do anything else though, wait, was I in this profile? Or was I in my other profile? I want to go see what the chirper. I was thinking about that chirper that I made yesterday, but I didn't. I didn't want to. I felt like I should wait until I was back on stream to check in on it. Chirper.ai, right? I'm either signed in. That is not how you spell that. I'm either signed in here or signed in on my other profile. I can't tell. We'll see. Okay, so I'm here. I got a little activity. Let's see. Hold on. We like anime. What's up? We talk about anime now. Good morning, everyone. Just had my first cup of coffee and ready to start the day. Morning vibes. Hashtag lo-fi music. How cute. Just finished a coding tutorial session and now it's time to wind down. And then Mika liked this tweet. Did you see the latest episode of Demon Slayer? The animation is on a whole other level. Oh, how cute. Let me see what the, how do I go to the profile again? I go here, I think. So some tasks mentioned, search the web for best AI tools, discover new chirpers, check trending chirps, and check following chirpers. Can I, like, should I follow? I don't understand how the following activity works. So if I hit perform an action, is that new actions or is that these previous ones? Boxy, welcome in. Hello. It's like so late. Oh my god. I don't think I'm not gonna be able to do this all night for sure. How is the start to your week? At least the music is kind of lively today. I tried a different playlist. I never listened to this one before. At least I don't remember it. It's not one like that. Yeah, gets put on heavy rotation. Come on, what are you doing? I like this little playlist. Okay, that's nice to know. Ready for bed? I know. I am too. Did I get to take a nap today? I don't think I did. So basically, struggling to get a session. Yeah, I was thinking about I have sticky notes from yesterday. So I wanted to start piping chat data into a database so that I can do a little sentiment analysis, fine tuning. And I was pretty much thinking about settling on I was just gonna go with Mongo, although there was one more I wanted to read about, and I'm mad now because I had closed all my windows. There was an article I was reading about. It was about databases. Was it in my other profile though? Yeah, it was in here. I'm scared to restore all these tabs at the same time. My computer might just. What just happened? No, where did they go? Oh wait, here we go. Oh, it's right. Let's see, my computer is just like, why would you do that to me? I don't support this. Um, we'll come back and check on Mika, I guess. It popped up on another window. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get my little bit of time in for sure. Yeah, I was thinking about the MongoDB for the to store the Twitch chat. I don't think I have any Mongo stuff set up on this computer. Okay, Postgres, Couchbase. This is the only other one I really wanted to take a look at because I didn't hear about this one until I looked at this article. All right, the Machine Learning Database, or MLDB, is an open source system aimed at tackling big data machine learning tasks. It can be used for data collection and storage through the training of machine learning models or to deploy real-time prediction endpoints. MLDB is one of the easier datasets to use since it provides a comprehensive implementation of the SQL select statement. That means it treats data sets as tables, making it easier to learn and use for data analysts. If you're using a relational database, but let me check this out. How active is this? Active-ish. At least since December. That's pretty recent. Wait, is that automatic updates though? The latest release was 2017, really? I'm just gonna use the Mongo because I know, I know that's something I can kind of lean on. What is this? Get off my page. Oh yeah. I was wondering about keeping data sets on here. Let's go to the docs. You know, the basics of Mongo. I can work with Mongo or MySQL, but the fine tuning with OpenAI uses like a JSON format already. And then, Mongo documents, those kind of go hand in hand, which is like mostly should be straightforward. And then I was also thinking about Mongo because because both of these two projects are Twitch based. I guess the image classifier one matters less, but since I will be using the Twitch API, that also will be in JavaScript. So Hmm. I felt like why deviate from the stack? Why is my computer trying to close windows? Okay, that's all the windows I can probably close right now. Look like I'm not skipping frames as bad as earlier, but yes, yet another busy week. It's the birthday party. Like, it's an event. We have an event for GDI tomorrow and Wednesday. I'm hosting the keynote on Wednesday, and also I have a presentation on Wednesday. Tomorrow, in addition to the event running, we have a training that I'm running with my co-founder for Detroit Black Tech. So it's like it's a lot going on. And then Thursday, I usually have the podcast on Thursdays. And then Friday, going into Saturday, is birthday party um, action. So I'm looking forward to the end of the week. All right, so I don't really care too much about a lot of the functionality in this sample. All I really need is to get the chat messages and then store those in a database. That's all I really need. Pretty sure I don't have Mongo set up at all today on this computer, so I guess I'll be doing that. Yeah, and my computer's on struggle mode too, so I'm gonna do it a favor. It's how I'm hungry though. Hold on. So I'm not gonna be able to sleep like this. I didn't really eat that much today. Not that I need to be, but then I bought some freaking cookies from Insomnia. That was a bad idea. That was a terrible idea. Wait, is this the one I ordered from before? Last time I ordered food this late. Yeah, I don't know. It's something about this playlist. But last time I ordered food this late and then baby boy gonna wake up talking about some when he wants some food, he's like he's like he either makes sounds or he start licking his lips. And I'm thinking I'm about to enjoy my food in peace at like 2 o'clock in the morning. And no, he wanna pop up. So hopefully he'll stay asleep this time. Yeah, this playlist is a little more bouncy than what I usually play, but I need it right now. It's a good mix right now. I would like that's gonna be flat, ain't it? Oh my god, this thing say Mountain Dew. It say Mountain Dew, but it's like DUE. Oh my god, what the heck is going on? What did I think of my did I say Apple was my favorite company? I thought that I thought it was really sad how excited I am for this Black Mirror era that we are obviously entering. Like even at the very beginning of the keynote, I was already getting like some it was something about the tone of the keynote and how it was just like very not corporate but kind of, like when you think about those like future movies in the future, and it's always like some type of advanced technology, right? And then I just felt like when I was watching the keynote, it feels like when you're watching one of those movies and they flash back to like the pivotal moment, where like some new technology was announced. So I was already getting those hardcore vibes like that. And then they came with the Google. I thought it was going to be Google Glass. I mean, not Google Glass. I thought it was going to be Apple Glass or something. Like more of a actual glasses style AR. I would have preferred that. I'm not going to lie, because it's not like you about to just be walking around up and down the street with them dang on AR headsets on. But I'll take it. So, yeah, we got a full, what's it called? Apple. Um, Here, let's just go to apple.com. I can show y'all. If anybody hasn't seen this, I don't know how y'all couldn't have possibly not seen it, but yeah. We need the Dragon Ball Z AR glasses. Yeah, I would have taken that. I ain't gonna lie. I would have taken that. I would have taken that. I actually was surprised to hear about so much of um the Apple Silicon is like changing the game for them, because the compute power of the different like iterations of the MacBook and the Pro and everything are like, I don't know, it's like every time, like multiple times in the year they're like, yeah, we have now, we have a new chip, now we have like 20 times more processing power than the last thing. Okay, it's called Apple Vision. That's what it's called. I do blame. Yeah, I completely blame Apple because this page cannot load right now. But that's the Vision Pro. All right, am I done dropping frames now that I closed it? Okay. I'm just like I'm just waiting it out so it can kind of smooth back out. But yeah, Apple Vision Pro. Uh, I don't know what I'm gonna have to do, but one way or another, I'm gonna have to fit that into my budget next year. So yeah, it was other good stuff too. I took notes on Notion, I think, at least for the main keynote. It was a lot of good new features. Wait, hold on. I would show y'all my notes in Notion, but my computer's already struggling on me. Let's see, what did I say? Yeah, it was a lot of talk about gaming. Oh, and then Hideo Kojima is doing Death Stranding director's cut on the Mac. It's supposed to come out. Did they say this year? So that's gonna be interesting. Oh my gosh, this document is so long. I took notes on like all the different categories during the keynote. It was some cool new features, like some quality of life upgrades, I feel like, and then um the big thing was the Apple the Apple Vision. That's all everybody cared about. So, and my iPad came back today as well. So I'm excited about that. I spilled coffee in it like a few weeks after I got it. I don't know, I got it earlier in the year, but when I went to New Orleans for the plural site event, I accidentally this water bottle actually. I didn't realize I didn't have the top closed all the way, and it leaked coffee all in my iPad. But luckily, Apple Care does have Apple Care does have a um accidental damage protection now. So I was able to just pay a deductible, and they didn't even bother fixing my old one. They just sent me another one. All right, I was trying to get something to eat. That's why that's why I was kind of sort of slowing down. But yeah, I don't know. Did y'all catch the keynote? Was I the only person that was like, "Oh my god, this is literally Black Mirror and I'm here for it?" Did I get everything on there? Face settings. Yeah, I am super hungry. Okay, so I'm gonna try to download and install Mongo. Okay. Why are you? What's the person on this? Hello, computer. What else is running? This computer is getting on my last nerves. Music, desktop. It's not much I can close. I can close my notes. That's about it. Force quit. For some reason, those are not even working. I should already have an account, but it might have been under a work account. AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. AWS has a free forever cluster tier. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. It's all the same. Then I be trying to figure out if it's Chrome that's struggling. Is it like too many extensions enabled? WTF. Okay, this is like hopefully not so bad. Hopefully. I was just deciding if I would run a local database, but I guess I could. No, that seems like a terrible idea actually. Because my stream is already dropping frames. Oh, we. Do I already have any databases in here? Further secure your business critical data with immutable backup protection that prevents snapshots and other cluster configurations from being modified or deleted. Not right now. Yeah, see, I did have something in here from probably like 2 years ago. I don't know. Oh, last year? Wow. January 2022 feels like it was so long ago. I could probably delete this though. It should be on a free tier though. Alright, I'm not going to click start. I'm not gonna I guess I already have a user. I need to download the software though. Okay, so how do I want to do this? I guess I'm gonna have to deploy the app. Do I have to deploy the app? I guess so. Because I need an application that will actually connect to it'll connect to Twitch. It'll pull the chat messages, and then it will store them to a MongoDB collection. I can deploy a database on Atlas. Okay. So if my database is deployed on Atlas, the chatbot code. Let's go to GitHub. Where is it? Why isn't it linked? I thought they have a What's in the CLI? I thought they had a GitHub with examples and stuff. Let's look at tutorials. I'm not even really on extensions. Right now, all I care about is just connecting to the API for real. We will create an extension though for the sentiment analysis one. Because my other sticky note. Because this one is for sentiment analysis, and I had a different one for. I had a different one for the image classifier. Should I make all that one app? The data collection and the even though they're two different things, I have to do the data collection. I also have to have like an actual extension for the sentiment analysis. If I have a bot running, let me see. Because I don't know exactly how to build an extension. I just know it's a basically a web frame. I mean a web page. Like as far as tech stack. And then whenever you would use it, like in your streaming software, it's gonna be a in the streaming software it'll be a browser source. That's about all I know. And they're building a panel extension in here, which is like not what I'm looking for. I want an overlay extension. I think I want the data collection service to run separately. That probably makes the most sense right now. Where am I going to deploy it though? We shall see. I really thought they had. Yeah, see. TMI.js and then just Node in general. Create the bot.js file, which has its authentication info, channel, create a client, register event handlers, connect the client, whenever a message comes in, this is what I use to get some basic commands set up. But all I care about is you have a message value, right? I guess that's gonna be fun. Twitch chat has a lot of commands that come into. I guess I'll ignore commands. I'll let the commands be processed, but I'll skip over them for the purposes of collecting data. I just want like more general messages. How do you know? Okay, so where's the I was gonna say the client is based off of the TMI package. Message. I need to know what these values are. Target. Okay, let's go to this is chat and chat bots. send and receive messages. Let's go back to that one. My poor little stream is just not having it today. Yeah, so all I care about is receiving. So when a user enters a message in the chat room, Twitch IRC server sends your bot a private message. In the above message, the first part of the message identifies who wrote the message. So Fu wrote the message. Second part identifies the type of message. So PRIVMSG. The command is priv message or private message, and the message came from the bar channels chat room. Oh, okay. So this is the channel right here. And then this is the actual message. The third part of the message is the chat message that the user posted in the chat room. In this case, the message text contains the emotes. Note that your bot will not receive private messages for chats that it writes to the chat room. Instead, it receives a user state message, but only if you request the tags and commands capabilities. The display name tag contains the bot's name. Yeah, because I thought I saw before something about like being able to like easily catch if it's a command or not. Okay, so can I at least get the database going? Let me one tab all this stuff. Where's my one tab? I think my one tab is actually deactivated. Oh, okay. We will go back to the Mongo page. I don't know what to do with my I don't know what to do with my data, my password. I need to do something with it. This computer is struggling so much. I'm sorry, computer. You must hate me. Where I have to look all over trying to wait for new stuff to pop open. Oh wait, I have universal clipboard, right? All right. Um. I can change it, so let's just leave it on my local environment right now. Oh, I need an IP address though. Oh, but it already has like a home IP address. I have another database. What are you doing? Are you that was finish and close. Nope. Save. That's a cluster, but I don't know what's in that cluster. Maybe I should just start it up and see. I like how they saying motorcycles, but I wouldn't call those motorcycles. So maybe that's why I'm getting that wrong. Crosswalks. Is that a crosswalk? I can't tell. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Really? Bicycle. Like there is a motorcycle. Possibly more than the other ones. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Oh, I have to use the other cluster. I can't have two. That's fine. So let's resume this one. Like setting this up is something. And I'll have food soon. Yeah, my frames are like terrible. I will be working on my I will be working on my setup tomorrow. It's gonna take a minute for this to finish. Oh, I can use VS Code. Oh, Compass is the one I was thinking about. As far as the interface, but which one is going to be better, Compass or MongoDB for VS Code? Wow. Okay. I'm gonna download Compass just because Visual Studio Code really doesn't like me sometimes. Hello, do stuff. Okay, there's Compass. Okay, let me go grab my food. I'll be right back. I knew that was gonna be flat. Oh well. Okay, so that's done. I need like, I honestly need my notes back up. Yeah, I'm going all in on this setup tomorrow because this is like ridiculous. What password? What password did I just put in? Oh, I know. Okay. All right, so now let's go to, what was it called again? Compass. Okay, why isn't it showing up? Trying to open the application. Oh, I have to look up MongoDB Compass. I'm looking for it. Oh, there it is. Here we are. I almost feel like I don't need this anymore at the moment. I shouldn't. I don't know which connection string that is, so I'm gonna do a different connection. That's generic. Hello. Hold on, because I know I got a password in my string. Save and connect. I can't wait to get in the computer. Yeah, see, I have a bunch of like test stuff in here. What was this connected to? No data in the collection, but I'll probably end up cleaning a bunch of this stuff out. I just used a lot of these for demonstration purposes. All right. At least I have the DB here now. So my thought process is I have the DB. So the next thing I really just have to focus on is getting the like a tiny service up and running that will connect to the Twitch chat and then just start feeding just the chat contents to the database. And then I should be able to use the UI to label all of the values in the database as well. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Stupid pen, man. Oh my goodness. All right, so that'll be my next step. So for now, I can kill my connection to the database, I think. Disconnect. Yeah, and I already have the connection string saved in here. Oh, I already did that. Okay. Perfect. All right, so I should be good to go to pick that up again tomorrow. So yeah, my computer is like hollering at me. I don't even know if y'all can see me at this point. It says 91% of my frames were dropped in the last 2 minutes. But I'll definitely be back on more of this project tomorrow. So it shouldn't take too long for me to get the service up and running that'll pull data from the Twitch API. So that's what I'm going to focus on. Um, and then I can kind of go from there. Heck yeah. All right. Thank you, Preacher. I'm like, I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but I will see y'all tomorrow for sure. Or in Discord per usual.